Hey Chris MJ, welcome to the video. Is this thing on? This is my first time recording and vlogging with the GoPro Hero 8 from my last video. Got this as my 25th birthday present and we are here at Desaru Coast, man, at Hard Rock Hotel. We just checked in the King Suite bedroom. Super neat, super awesome. Take a look for yourself. They have one queen size bed over here. Everything has a very wooden vibe. Wow, they even have my name on the TV, man. Dear Mr. Chris from Maths Jacob, welcome to the show. Now, for those of you who do not know where is Desaru, I mean, I'm sure if you're watching this, you know lah. But for those who don't know where is Desaru lah, okay, let me show you very fast. Now, this is Malaysia map, right? So we were in Selangor. This was where we were at, and then we traveled all the way down to Johor, and this is where Desaru. So we will pass Seremban. Babe, we passed Seremban lah. Forgot to get the... Wait. Forgot to get something from Seremban. Wait ah. Alright. Back to Hard Rock. Yeah, look at that. Look at that Seremban goodness. I grew up in Seremban lah, guys. But yeah, we're here in Desaru. It's gonna be a great weekend. This is my 25th birthday weekend. And I like to say that this video is sponsored and brought to you by my lovely girlfriend, Emma Cheng. This is her 25th birthday present for me lah. Okay, so this whole video is thanks to her lah. So let me show you a few of the amenities of the hotel room. Okay, so they have the usual, the bed. And then not bad lah, because now during the COVID season, they give us alcohol wipes, hand sanitizers. Ooh, feeling clean. This is about a 50-inch Samsung TV. 55-inch Samsung TV. Let's see what else they have here. This is cool. They provide water bottles for you to reuse. You can refill water here and return, so you don't have to always boil water. Outside there's a water dispenser. Yeah, there's a fridge over here, so if you want to bring some drinks, you just store it in the fridge. What is this? This is like a closet lah. Okay, so it's connected to the bathroom, the toilet. So they have an ironing board, umbrella, hangers to hang the clothes, a safe, slippers. I'ma just slip this on. That was a whole room tour. Found this place on booking.com for a very decent price because a lot of promotions going on right now. Alright guys, so enjoy the video. I want to bring you guys along with me with this GoPro over here, and it's super convenient to vlog actually. Yeah, and let's see what we can do here in Desaru for a weekend. Give the video a thumbs up, enjoy the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Yo, we are here in Adventure Waterpark Desaru. If you're staying in Hard Rock Hotel, you have a direct access to this water park, okay? So it's literally just next to the lobby uni. But yeah, we're gonna have a good day. Yes. And yeah, it's just like two grown-ups here going to water park. But hey, why not, man? You're never too old for water parks. So let's start the day. Okay, coming. Like money. This goes overload. I'm into that. I'm good to go. I'm time up. You know I glow up. So let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire. Set the night light. Shining through the city with a little funky soul. Light it up, light dynamite. Whoa. Okay, I was trying to do that. So we dance to the breakdown. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you
like money. Desaru, overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know I glow. And let's go! 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So if we bring the fire, set the night light. Shining through the city with a little funky soul. Light it up like dynamite. Whoa, whoa. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little funky soul.
Alright guys, so I'm back here at the surf shack and I want to try to learn how to do the knee surfing, the knee board surfing, okay? So let's see whether we can do it. Guys, not put it. Yo! Yo! What? Oh my god, what the shit? We are still here at the water park because I really tak puas lah. I really want to try and master the surf, like the knee boarding lah, knee surfing lah. Ahmad really want, good job. So I ego lah. He can do, I cannot do meh.